Tuition students, how are you all? Hope you all are happy and healthy. So let's start today our computer subject. So today on page number 38 we are going to start our new chapter number 4, Windows Explorer. So in this chapter we will learn how to give name to a file, folder, and what are the rules to give name. And we will learn deeply how to use Windows Explorer. So let's start our subject today. So first of all, lesson name Windows Explorer. I manage my files and folders on disk using Windows Explorer program. Now what is Windows Explorer program? See, here you will learn define of it. Computer stores data in the form of files. Okay, this thing you keep in the mind, that computer keeps data in the form of files, and we give name to that file or folder. Like physically files are stored in file cabinet, computer files are stored in computer folders. See, first we make file and that files are stored in folder. For example, our clothes we keep in our cupboard. So in same way, Windows Explorer is an application. See, what is Windows Explorer? Windows Explorer is an application. With the help of that you do your program, using which files and folders are on computers. So you use Windows Explorer with the help of files and folders you saved in computer. It provides detailed informations of all the folders, files and drives on the computer system. So files and folders you saved, it gives the all instruction about all information about it, that what type of file and what type of folder or where the file is saved. So each and everything we learn from this. So first of all, today on page number 39 we will learn what is file. So file is a collection of data. See, file is collection of data, and Windows Explorer is, what is in Windows Explorer? Windows Explorer is an application. Clear? Windows Explorer is an application, and file is collection of data, and that can be identified by its name. Different type of files store different types of data. Okay, now file naming rules. What are the rules we have to follow to give name to the file? First of all, file name can comprise of alphabets A to Z. From A to Z any letter you can take, and digit from 0 to 9 any digit you can take, and special characters like $sign, this is the $sign, @ A and circle around it, dot, blank. Okay, blank means you are giving just space, %sign, and next one, so many special characters are there, etc. So characters like backslash, this is the backslash, forward slash this side, and colon, star, this is star, we use star, this is the sign of multiplication also we use, and double quote, that is single inverted comma, less than sign, greater than sign, and exclamation sign are not allowed in file names. Clear? See, till here it was applicable, you can give for the file like $sign, @ dot, blank, %sign. Okay, but characters like backslash, forward slash, colon, star, double quote, less than, greater than sign, exclamation sign are not allowed in the file names. Okay, now folder. A folder is a special type of file that can hold other files in it. Okay, lot of files we keep in folder. So in it is called folder or a directory. The icon of a folder is shown in the image. Okay, my folder, and how many files are there? 20 files are there. File, okay, letter file, marks file we can say. So folder naming rules are same as the file naming, there is no difference. So to keep name for folder also the same rule. Okay, Now opening Window Explorer. How to open this application? So few steps are given. First of all, click accessories. Okay, this is the third point. Second and one. So first you have to start your computer. Okay, when you start, all programs you will able to see, and their accessories. Okay, all program, accessories, and in accessories, see here it is given. Okay, accessories, this is the accessories, and then in accessories you will see name of this program, that is Window Explorer. Okay, fourth step is that. Now we will further how to use this application. On page number 40 you will see one screen of window application. Okay, that is the Window Explorer. Okay, this is the screen, and this is called the left pane, and this is known as the right pane. Okay, now we will go further how to use it. The Explorer window consists of two vertical panes. Okay, two vertical panes, that is the left pane and right pane. Two panes vertical, that is standing position, left and right. These are known as the vertical pane, left and right. The left pane is also known as the navigation pane. Okay, see this type of question will come in between the chapter. What is the navigation pane? Left pane is known as the navigation pane. It displays, what does it displays? It displays the all drives and folder. Okay, and the right pane displays list of content present in the selected folder. Okay, the selected folder. This is your left pane, and this full part, okay, right pane. So here you can see your selected drives and folder. See, now selecting a folder. How to select a folder? To select a folder, first of all click the mouse on its icon. Any folder you want, just with the help of mouse click on it. Okay, so it will shows as that this one is selected. Okay, now click the desktop icon to select it. Any icon or means which one you want to select for desktop. On this icon just you click, it will be selected. Okay, and when you select, one more screen at the side you will see it will open, that what does it what are the content of this folder or a file. Okay, and shortcut key with the help of keyboard you can use to open the Window Explorer. Just press window key plus E. Okay, both together you have to press, then only you can open this. And next session we will continue types of file. Okay, thank you students, have a nice day.